Hi guys, today we will talk about how to turn on only who can see social interactions on your Messenger app. We will go to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your Messenger app. All you have to do, you just go up, you will click here on app, then it's going to show for you window like this, and you just go up, you will click here on the smart settings, then it's going to take you to next window here, and you just go down here, then you click here on personal details, then you come to next window here, and you just click here on add the preferences, and you come to next window, you click here on add settings, and you come to this window here, you click here on social interactions, then you click here, and here you go down and you click here on only me here, you click here on only you who can see your social interactions on your Messenger app. I will thank you for your watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.